Current Bitgert value sort of is $0.00000049. Bitgert records most certainly descending development today. Brise cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which basically is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Bitgert in a real sense is floating at $2,137,408 in a fundamentally significant manner. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Bitgert cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified pressing issues. What sort of is most certainly momentary cost expectation for Bitgert? Certainly is Brise an especially wise speculation, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitgert support and opposition levels and so on in a sort of significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the Brise specialized examination, by and large, let us generally discuss the essentially current economic situations, market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,20109,556,157, which generally is very huge. The truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,326,280,073 incredibly. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,20109,556,157. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%. Various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period in an especially significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP sort of is up by 0.53 and is of now exchanging at 43 cents. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a really descending bearing for kind of present moment, which sort of is genuinely critical. As of now, a sort of broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert execution. The cost of Bitgert basically is at $0, down 2.61% in the sort of beyond 24 hours and has a value change of 2.77% over the course of the week, which is very huge. 1-day exchanging volume for BTC is $2,137,408.00 while kind of all-out market cap came to $193,655,045 USD in a significant manner. There are practically 395, 688, 215, 721, 653 sort of are available for use out of 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Bitgert fundamentally is floating at $2,137,408 in a sort of significant manner. What most certainly is Bitgert? Bitgert generally is a crypto designing undertaking sent off in July 2021 that spends significant time in blockchain items and examining arrangements, in spite of prevalent thinking. At first, Bitgert for the most part was based on BNB chain and utilized BNB, its truly local token, to fundamentally pay rewards, which by and large is genuinely huge. Anyway, one of the main Bitgert advancements fundamentally was introduced in 2022, the 20 Cruzado blockchain, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. It truly presents almost zero gas expenses and especially high-velocity cross-chain exchanges. All the more explicitly, the gas charge truly is $0 exchange, while the upheld throughput for the most part ultimately depends on 100,000 TPS in a genuinely significant manner. The rundown of Bitgert items likewise incorporates review arrangements with list of competitors backing, Brise app wallet, Brise marking, Brise trade, and Bitgert extension, so market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours. There most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1 120-109-556-157, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert for the most part offers an option to the famous DEX stage pancake swap in an unpretentious manner. Brise wallet DApp really is the kind of principal entryway to the biological system, permitting clients to safely send, get, store and trade different crypto resources in an unobtrusive manner. Brise certainly is Bitgert's especially local token, permitting financial backers to profit from marking and acquiring awards in BUSD. All extremely shrewd agreements on Brise chain highlight a truly buyback component in an unobtrusive manner. To be more exact, Bitgert coordinates 5% of each and every exchange charge for buyback, 3% for promoting and 4% for marking rewards. As per the group, beautiful buyback explicitly is generally intended to help the cost of Brise sort of token, making it a deflationary resource, or so they thought. Brise cases to especially have a genuine use case with turning into the worldwide installment framework, and especially as applied as a distributed administration in the Brise DApp wallet, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this manner, purchasers and merchants generally collaborate straightforwardly, without the cooperation of an outsider, through the P2P administration, and exchanges are explicitly completed rapidly, safely and with zero expenses, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, who for the most part are the pioneers behind Bitgert, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Bitgert project certainly began its excursion in the mid-year of 2021. The white paper shows that the stage by and large was sent off in July, which especially is genuinely critical. This by and large whole time the dev group sort of worked namelessly. However, it truly was basically reported that they basically are wanting to essentially uncover their characters when the opportunity arrives. So it for the most part presents close to zero gas charges and especially high velocity cross-chain exchanges in a very enormous manner. Up to this point, no unmistakable cutoff times explicitly have been distributed. Yet one thing really remains most certainly certain: doxing the group ought to decidedly in a real sense influence the task standing and the cost of Brise, since the move can explicitly prompt structure trust from the crypto local area and creating in every practical sense more premium among financial backers, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, as per the group, temporarily and before the trade send-off, Bitgert will in every way that really matters be enlisted as a lawful element, probably in the Cayman Islands, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. What certainly makes Bitgert special, which especially is very huge, Bitgert basically utilizes a DEFI convention and for the most part was conveyed on BNB chain, or so they sort of thought. The quickly developing environment by and large covers regions kind of, for example, DEFI, NFT, Web 3.0 and Metaverse in an especially enormous manner. The Bitgert biological system presents the accompanying items. Bitgert chain generally is an EVM viable blockchain with gas expenses as extremely low as $0 exchange. Brise DApp wallet with 20 Cruzado divided by ERC20 divided by BEP20 support for Android and iOS, or so they fundamentally